Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1 to 3 countings. Let's start. Green color. 0. Z-E-R-O 0. Brown color. 1. O-N-E 1. Yellow color. 2. T-W-O 2. Pink color. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Purple color. 4. F-O-U-R 4. Orange color. 5. F-I-V-E 5. Black color. 6. S-I-X 6. Green color. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Orange color. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Pink color. 9. N-I-N-E 9. Yellow color. 10. T-E-N 10. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about green color, purple color, brown color, pink color, yellow color, black color and orange color. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.